Okay, today's video is about VidIQ Chrome extension. It is YouTube certified and it is very good for SEO ranking, views and subscribers. First, go to the Chrome and look for VidIQ extension. Then click on the first link you see on the browser. Click on Add to Chrome. On the pop-up window, click on Add extension. Now, the download will be completed. The VidIQ website will automatically open up in a new tab. It will directly take you to the YouTube tutorial.
Hello everyone and welcome to VidIQ. One last
Now click on extension. Click on the pin next to VidIQ icon. You'll notice next to the YouTube search bar there are some new options after installing VidIQ. I will explain their applications later. Now again go to the Chrome browser, tab VidIQ. The website is called app.vidiq.com. Now click on Add your YouTube channel button. Now you have to choose one of your Google accounts. I have only one Google account here, so I'm clicking on it. I'm selecting both of the options here for Google account access. Now click on Continue. Next, the VidIQ website's homepage will come in front of the screen. It's already connected with your YouTube channel now. Let's explore the daily ideas. My YouTube channel is new, so I can see only 3 daily ideas. If your channel has more videos than I do, then the quantity of daily ideas will be much more. Let's go to the AI generator. It is specially made for YouTube channel videos. I'm inputting a prompt like, give me ideas for creating YouTube videos for a fresh YouTube channel. After you press generate, you can see the AI has created a title for the channel, then the description, tags, thumbnail, backgrounds will also be made up by this AI generator. There are some hooks and outlines. You can take the help of this AI to outline the entire video. Let's go to the keywords section. The most viewed video in my YouTube channel is about vacuum storage bag, so the keyword section is showing me some keywords which I can use for my next videos. Next is competitors. You can add your competitor and compare the number of views subscribers in these two channels. Subscribers. This section has some more helpful options, but as I am not using the VidIQ Pro version, I cannot use it now. Let's analyze the competition of the keyword, how to use VidIQ. So the volume here is 72, which is on the green side, but the competition here is on the medium level. You can also see the highest views, average views of the keywords. Let's search for how to get Germany visa appointment. Here the volume is 46, orange, and competition is very low on the deep green side. Let's change Germany to USA. Here the volume is 47 and competition is on the neon side, which is low. The competition of German visa appointment was very low, so the chances of the videos which will be made on German visa will get higher views.